666. Today we are in 2019 Chevy 3500 Silverado DURAMAX parking lot drive. Got 445 horsepower and 910 pound-feet of torque. And this is a 6.6 liter V8 turbocharged diesel with the LTZ package. And it's got navigation, backup camera, tow haul mode, very nice truck. Make sure you share on all social media. This is Wolfblood666. Like and subscribe. Follow on TikTok and YouTube. Subscribe to YouTube. Share on all social media. So if you like what you see, like, subscribe, follow on YouTube, TikTok, and share on all social media. Turn notifications to all. Wolfblood666, and we're out.